Balanced attic ventilation allowing unobstructed airflow is critical to the optimum performance of an asphalt shingle roof system and is a requirement for full coverage under ICO's limited warranty. To provide air intake to the space below the roof deck, the most common practice is to install continuous soffit venting. In this video, we will focus on the installation of the most common exhaust vents installed higher on the roof, such as roof vents and ridge vents. Always follow the vent manufacturer's specific installation instructions for the vent system you're using. Here are some general guidelines you may find helpful. To install a new roof vent, the hole you cut in the roof should be the same size as the vent hole. Ideally, center a 3 foot by 3 foot section of an ICO ice and water protector over the hole and cut away any membrane that now covers it up. Shingle up to the bottom of the vent opening and remove any shingle material that may be covering the hole. Apply asphalt plastic cement around the edges and nail the vent securely in place. Continue shingling, cutting to fit around the vent. Each cut shingle should be laid in a bead of cement. A dab of asphalt plastic cement over the exposed nails is recommended to avoid leakage. Several manufacturers now supply specialized ridge vents. Just be sure that the ridge vent size is compatible with the ridge cap shingles you plan to use. In preparation for the vent installation, cut away the roof decking to reveal approximately 1 inch of space on both sides of the ridge joist. At both ends of the ridge, apply ridge cap shingles to cover at least 12 inches of the ridge. Center the ridge vent over the ridge and overlap the top course of filled shingles so that the nails and sealing strip are covered. Nail to the deck using the nailing marks supplied by the vent manufacturer. Beginning from the end of the ridge opposite the direction of the prevailing winds, apply ridge cap shingles over the ridge vent. Exposing each piece as required. Nail the caps to the ridge vent following the nailing guide on the vent, as provided by the vent manufacturer. For rapid ridge vents, measure the length of the ridge and cut the fabric to size. Center the vent over the slot on one end with the nail line spacing up and fasten it with 2 nails. Roll out along the entire ridge. Pull out the slack and fasten with 2 nails at the opposite end. Install cap shingles similar to the process for rigid ridge vent installation, taking care to allow the vent fabric to function properly. Now that the job is done, you and the new roof and your happy homeowner can breathe easier.